In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer tickets on Ticketek. Whether you're sharing an exciting event with friends or family or simply need to reallocate a ticket you won't be using, transferring your tickets is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and make sure you get this right. First, you'll want to start by visiting the Ticketek website and logging into your account. Enter your email and password to access all your purchased tickets. If you haven't set up an account yet, it's important to do so using the same email address you used to buy your tickets. This ensures your tickets are linked to your profile and accessible for transfer. Once logged in, head over to My Ticketek, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all your purchased tickets. Browse through until you find the event and the specific tickets you want to transfer. Keep in mind that not all tickets may be available for transfer, depending on the event's policy. Make sure to verify that your tickets are transferable by checking any notes or restrictions provided by Ticketek for the specific event. Now, click on the appropriate ticket or ticket bundle you wish to transfer. You should see an option for transfer or relocate tickets, typically highlighted for easy spotting. Clicking this will prompt you to enter the recipient's information. Here, you'll need to provide the full name and email address of the person you're transferring the tickets to. Double-check this information to ensure it's correct because these details, once entered, will be crucial for the recipient to claim the ticket. After you've entered the recipient's information, confirm the transfer. It's important to review all the details before you do this, as transferring tickets is often a final process, and you want everything to go smoothly without any hitches. Once you're satisfied, proceed to complete the transfer. The system might ask for a final confirmation, so just follow the prompts until you've successfully initiated the transfer. The recipient will then receive an email notification from Ticketek with instructions on how to claim their ticket. Advise them to check their email, including the spam or promotions folders, to avoid missing this important notification. They'll need to follow the instructions in the email to accept the ticket through their own Ticketek account. If they don't have one, they will be guided to create a new account. And that's it! You've successfully transferred your tickets on Ticketek. By following these steps, you can ensure a smooth transfer experience, allowing others to enjoy the event seamlessly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact Ticketek's customer support for assistance. Enjoy your events, and happy ticket sharing!